Apple just released a 3 billion parameter language model called ReALM, and this 3 billion parameter language model outperforms GPT-4 on some specific use cases. They also found that the performance of ReALM and GPT-4 are very similar for the unseen domain. Of course, ReALM is for a very specific use case and task and not a generalized model like GPT-4, and also the 3 billion parameters can never hold as much knowledge and information as a much larger GPT-4, but still this is a really huge development for the edge-based AI. Now, ReALM significantly improves how conversational assistants like Siri or Alexa can understand the way humans naturally talk. Imagine you are looking at a list of restaurants on your smartphone and you say, direct me to the one on Main Street. ReALM is able to understand which restaurant you are referring to even though you didn't specify the exact name. It achieves this by cleverly converting the visual layout of what's on your screen into a text format that a powerful language understanding AI model can reason about. This allows ReALM to resolve ambiguous references like it, that one, the second item, this kind of things in a very similar way that how humans intuitively grasp context. And so ReALM outperformed prior approaches on this task and nearly matched GPT-4 model while being much more efficient, making it practical to implement on devices like smartphone. Remember again, it's just 3 billion parameter and GPT-4 probably is a 1 trillion plus parameter model. So now basically AI assistants can converse more naturally, enabling interactions like book a table at the Italian place I just looked at without having to tediously spell everything out.